So this week, we are going to discuss the AI offering from Microsoft. Specifically, we are also going to talk about the data science part of the data science feature of Fabric. Then before we wrapping up all the class, we are going to talk about the certifications offered by cloud, mostly Microsoft. Let's get started with Microsoft AI. And in the recent years, there's a huge popularity on large language model or LLM and the retrieval augmented generation, which is called RAG. We are going to start from here. So first of all, what does Microsoft offer for AI, artificial intelligence? And the answer is everything. So Microsoft offers from bottom, you have the infrastructure that any AI company will need, right? You need to have a CPU, GPU, FPGA, and you need to have data storage. As always, compute and storage, right? And on data or data AI, the data AI needed, SQL database, data warehouse, data lake, all familiar terms, Cosmos DB, and then compute. We have a virtual machine. Everything basically is virtual machine. But what you can build on top of a virtual machine, you have containers, you have the data science virtual machine, you have Spark, etc., etc. And then you have the tools offered for like toolkits, TensorFlow, Chef. You have the coding help, machine learning studio, machine learning workbench tools. Then on combining all these together and with some Microsoft development, you have the services like the machine learning part and the cognitive service part, which is the cognitive basically means the recognition and the understanding of the surroundings, right? Then you have a bot framework, conversational AI. So um, when we talk about Microsoft AI, Microsoft itself does not look at Azure as the only platform or only product they offer. As such, when you talk about Microsoft AI, it's on a much wider platform. Basically, covers every product that Microsoft is covering, and this is especially important if you think about a lot of Microsoft key offering are human interactive products like Office suites, Word, Excel, the PowerPoint slide, and also something like operating system or business utilities. So this is extremely important for Microsoft to push artificial intelligence outside of the hardware technical Azure to cover all. So this is where you will be clicking on if you go to Microsoft AI. This is the Microsoft AI page where you have all the products that they offer. As you can see, most of these days are like Copilot, and but you also have AI for business users, mostly for on the technology side, etc. So with that, you can basically divide Microsoft AI into three parts. Um, Basically, large language model, OpenAI, and there's also AI product offered by different the Microsoft products. And yes, you can see Copilot is being utilized in both. This is a typical Microsoft behavior. Once they see some tool it gets popular, like Copilot, they will apply this to everywhere, right? Now, the third part is Azure AI, which is we have been utilizing Azure, right? So we know what Azure is. It's the technology under infrastructure, underlying technology infrastructure used to support everything, every service you Microsoft offer. So this is Azure AI service and machine learning and AI infrastructure as always is something that we will provide to Microsoft users, not only limited to Azure, but hosted on Azure. So we will talk about each area of them in the next sessions.